Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video will be I basically want to reveal to you some of the cards you can buy that will take your cards to level 25. Alright, so that you can have at least one level 25 card on your achievement. Alright, but before we dive into it, I will be solving the daily cipher most code for the hamster for today, and also the daily key for today. All right, so it's been long since we upload a video like this, but today we'll be doing all of it together. All right, you know the Hamster Kombat is the launching is getting very close. All right, I think we have just 14 days to go. Okay, 11 days to go. All right, so we'll be checking our achievement and see what we can do to upgrade our achievements. All right, so let's dive into it, guys. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. All right, so we have a community group on Telegram, so the link is in the description of this video, so you can just hit the link and then join us on our community, where you get updates concerning all kinds of airdrop we are uploading. All right, not everything I will have the chance to upload here on YouTube. All right, so that is it, guys. So let's start the video for today. I hope we are able to claim the key for today, and then also if you're not able to claim the key, then we'll just do the daily cipher and then call it a day. Okay, all right. All right, we just claimed the key for today. All right, so let's unlock the daily cipher for today. Okay, as you can see, my key is now 132. So I've not been playing the game though. So okay, the daily cipher. Okay, the daily cipher for today is intrigue. Okay, and that is I tap. Okay, the N hold tap, T hold, arrow tap hold tap, I tap, G hold tap, U tap hold, then E tap. Congratulations, guys, you just claim your 1 million daily combo for the day. All right, so now let's dive into the real deal of this video. Okay, so one of the cards that is very easy for you to get to level 25 here, it's under Lega, and that is KYC. All right, KYC. As you can see, I already took mine to 21, so I'll be trying to take it to 25 in this video. Okay, and see if it is possible for us. All right, then, but before then, another card you can also try and get to level 25 is under Web3. Right now, under Web3, this is the card here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is the card here, guys. That one, that's it. And then another card that is also possible, it's yeah, it's this guy. As you can see, for 17, level 17 is on 2 million. Alright, you can also try and take that one to level 25 as well. Alright, so let's try under the ledger and see if we can take this KYC to level 25. Alright, I was just left with one more to go. Okay, that's it. I still have one more to go to get it to level 25. Maybe I can get to level 25 before the listing. Alright, so that are the 3 cards you can take to level 25 before Hamster gets launched. Alright, we still have 11 days to go. Okay, so if you come to the achievement, you see that you see all the achievements of today. This is what we were trying to achieve. Yeah, we're trying to achieve that. Okay, so alright, that's the achievements I've been able to achieve. So like I always say, please make sure to take note of this card here. Make sure your account is not activated with this this card is not activated on your account, because if it does, sorry, you may not be getting anything from this airdrop. Okay, so alright, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. Alright, okay, so until our next video, see you soon. Peace out.